7:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of reducing winds to 40 knots and small hail. This storm was located 16 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving northeast at 55 knots. Locations impacted include Bush River, Pools Island, Francis Scott Key Bridge, Spessity Island, Susquehanna Flats, Curtis Bay, Patapsco River, Still Pond, Miller Island, Northeast River, Elk River, Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, Hanover Street Bridge, 7-Foot Knoll, Orton Point, Gunpowder River, and Phoenix Shoal. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern